got a 2024, 2025 Toyota Tacoma, and it has the automatic parking brake on. Now you can disable this feature if you don't want it to turn on every time you start and stop the vehicle, put it in park, things like that. All you need to do is go ahead and push it down, disable it. You can see that park is gone now. Now we're going to push and hold down the button and wait for a notification on the dash. It says electronic parking brake interlock function deactivated. Now it won't turn off and on every time you start the car. Turn it off, put it in park, and things like that. Now we can reactivate it. It's going to be the same way. Let's go ahead and just activate the parking brake. All right, now we're just going to pull up on it, hold it, and reactivate it. All right, now it'll do the parking brake thing. Well, I hope the information was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could. Hope to see you again.